guys, welcome back to today's video. Today's video is super exciting because today I have the Jamescharles palette that I wanted to play around with, and I thought you guys would enjoy seeing some bold colors today. Today I went more of a like orangey, burnt, like fiery look, and I'm living for it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. Without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Where have you been? Completely free to subscribe to my channel, so I will leave all my social media handles down below. But if you guys are interested in supporting my channel, I list my Cash App link down below if you guys ever want to donate. That's just going to help me create content and continue to create good content. So up to you, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I had already filled in my eyebrows, I primed my eyelids, and then set the primer with a white eyeshadow. That way the eyeshadows like have the most pigment payoff. White will enhance the colors and the shades. So I'm just taking this really like nice burnt orange first, and I'm going to put it kind of like right above or right on the crease line. And I'm just going to buff this in. I'm kind of doing like patting and circular motions at the same time. I'm just going to keep doing that right along there. I honestly have like no idea what look I want to do. I just know I want to do like a very bright, like red orange, like fiery look. I just have it pictured in my head, and that's what I'm going with. So after I do that, I'm going to take this darker color right here, and I'm going to put this right underneath of it because I'm going to have this color pretty much all over. I'm going to take a flat brush later and cover the entire lid with that color. For that, I'm going to take this orange color. It's like literally a bright orange, and it's like a yellowy orange, but it's more orange than anything. After I pick up that color, I'm going to put it right above every color I did so far and blend it up towards my eyebrow. So I'm just going to smoke that up. I'm doing it with a really light hand. The further I go up, the more like the softer my touch gets. Now, like I said, I'm going to pick up that darkest shade. It's like a very bright reddish orange, and I'm going to put this directly onto my eyelid. Okay, so I can say that skip the white eyeshadow. I think it would have stuck better and had a little bit more pigment if I didn't use the eyeshadow. Usually I do concealer and then put eyeshadow on top of the concealer, and I think that works a lot better. But what I'm doing right now is just blending my outer edges towards my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and I'm using a what's this called? A baby wipe, and I'm going to clean up the excess eyeshadow. So, what I'm doing right now is taking this like flat sided brush, and I'm just taking some of the black from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm smoking out my top lash line. So how I do that is I hold it upside down, and right where the lashes start, I pat and pull up at the same time. So it's kind of like a little flicking motion, but right at the bottom. And I'm just flicking. And again, I'm going to have some fallout, but that's okay. We can go back and clean it up. And I'm not sick. My allergies are just so damn bad right now. I'm going to take a little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go right on top of that and do like the same thing. I'm just going to like move it back and forth and flick it up. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara. This is from Urban Decay. This is the Perversion Bigger Blacker and Better. So I've never used this before. I'm trying this out right now, so I'm just gonna apply some mascara. It works good. It doesn't make them like clumpy. Just makes it more nice and feathered out. They don't really stick together. And then after mascara, I'm gonna put on a pair of false lashes, and they are in the style Intoxicating from Flutter Lashes. They were mentioned by Jaclyn Hill, and it's one of her favorites, so of course I had to pick some up. And that is everything for this makeup look today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I will probably do another look but with different colors. If you guys do, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.